What's up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can add Blox Fruit Stockbot in Discord. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, what we will do is we will simply go to Google and search for Blox Fruit Stockbot Discord. We're just going to search for that and it will open up this website. And here we will go to the first link, which should say top.gg/bots. Now, here you'll be able to find a lot of bots according to you. As you can see, this is the Blox Fruit Stockbot. In order to add this, you just have to click on this invite. Once you click on this invite, it will open up the Discord website for you where you will easily be able to add this bot into your server. Now make sure you have the server privileges that you can add a bot. So currently in my case, I only have one server in which I will be able to add my bot. So as you can see, this just load. Here you just have to select the server. I can only add the server to this bot, so I'm just going to select that and then click on the authorize, and it will add the this bot to this server. So that's very much it. That's how I'll be able to add the Bloxfruit stock bot in Discord. Hope you guys find this video helpful.